Dem don arrest one Anambra big boy and him slay queen because of say dem go thief goats to fund their expensive lifestyle. This one I no know whether we call am Instagram live or Snapchat or Facebook live. Na wetin dey happen? Una no go know. Una go see person for social media. I wish I can be like him. I wish. In fact, man no even talk plenty. Make una watch these people wey dem catch with goats. Make una watch.
Yeah, give to the machine. There's no answer. Hey, also, what you? What you doing here? Get it.
Hey, abi una don see our Anambra Bolly and Clyde. Una don see them. See as them dey. Even the girl, she wear ash loss. I don't know that we call that one ash loss, so abi na ash tray. With her golden hair, she still get mind to go thief goat. And then hold on one like say na their bride price. Then hold on one like say na their birthright. Which kind thing be this one? See as the boy fine, na to just end himself like that because of wetin goats. This one, I don't know that na couple goal or na couples that still together, then slay together. Now the thing why they see from this kind matter, and this one it happened for Neogodi village for Aguli Anocha local government, Anambra state. Now where this one happen, and this guy wey thief goat, in name na Chinedu Ume, in girlfriend name na Ogechuku Samson, and na the Ndiogodi security catch these people with this goat. As dem catch them, dem come dey interrogate them. Now when these people talk say when they need money, now when they go thief people livestock in order to fund themselves, in order for them to get something. So when dem thief am, e get one woman wey her name be Mrs. Chinwe, then they go sell am to am, and this woman, she come from Ekuloba and she live for Akwa Etiti. Now where this woman live, say dem go carry this goat go give this woman to sell. When this woman sell finish, dem go collect their money, do wetin they want do. As this youth hear am, na so this youth wan burn them on fire. My people, I think say dem don remove jungle justice from Nigeria. I wonder how this youth dem still dey reason to carry out jungle justice because of wetin person thief goats. Goats na how much wey these people wan set these people on fire. And you know they had all these youths. Before you know, dem go carry tire, put over your head. Before you know, they don't own them. Fire don't they catch now, so then go die. I don't know why they go want put law into their hands because of say person thief animal. Even if the animal big pass foul. Therefore, pity these people now. They want light them fire. Make them just the best thing now to just carry these people. Go police station, go report the case where it happened. If now money, then go extort from them before they release them or something because of waiting them thief. So that at least the money go pay back waiting them non thief. Or like when they give them real justice so then they do. Carry them, go police go judge them, give them waiting they're supposed to do. Not be the one way then go take law into their hands, and the law way then they take into their hands now to burn these people. For me, I know they in support of that one. No. Make them just pity these people and give them the kind justice way they're supposed to give them. Not be to kill life. That one, I know they in support at all. Me, I can't they wonder which kind goat business be this one. Wey boyfriend and girlfriend, then go their house, do their own thing, sleep together, do this one, then go come reason. Say make them the thief goats. I don't know whether na the boy idea or be na the girl idea, because sometimes you go feel be the boy and the girl go want support her man. As she want support her man, na so supporting party, they don't catch you now. This one na bad act. My people, make una stay away from stealing. For Nigeria, they know they use eye and ear. Yes, a person thief. Even if na pencil, anything fit happen for your own turn. This one wey dem no born people na God grace. If it happen say another place they go carry on jungle justice and they ask wetin dem kill for na 5,000 naira, 4,000, 2,000, nothing tangible. Make una try find work. Forget about stealing o. Na the information wey I come give una today o. My people, if una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Make una no forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Police don rearrest one man wey escape from prison, and this the rearresting na because say e man go thief SIM card. Hey, una know wetin be SIM card? Small cheap wey dem dey sell 500, 300. Wetin dey do this kind person? He go thief SIM card, and this man wey thief SIM card, he dey 34 years old, and his name na Onyemechi Maduabuchi. Yes, so he escaped from Owerri Correctional Center, yes, for Imo State. Now where this guy escaped from after jailbreak happen. Now where he escaped from, and as this guy escaped, he go meet him mother for village, and in village dey for Fegi, Onitsha, Anambra State. Now where he go meet him mother, and as he go meet him mother link am up with his elder sister, and this the elder sister dey for Lagos. Now this boy go visit the elder sister, they stay with the elder sister. This elder sister, they try lead them to Christ. They carry am go special deliverance services and all. One day they go night vigil for Bride Assembly Church, Ijesha area for Lagos State. The suspect go thief person SIM card and memory card. People see they use memory card for Nigeria. And even if person still dey use them, at this point memory card price don't come down. I should say if dem put price of SIM card, put price of memory card, e no go big. E go be maybe 2,000 naira or 3,000 naira. Now wetin person go church, go thief from church member, SIM card and memory card. Now wetin this guy go thief for that place. Now dem don arrest am because of wetin him thief SIM card and memory card, and now dem don recover those items from am. Now as they arrest am, now when they discover say this guy don stand trial since 2009, not be 2019 2009, instant trial for conspiracy, armed robbery and arson. Yes, so he stand this trial before Justice Nnamdi of Ngidibi High Court 1 at Ndibidi, Imo State. Yes, so this guy stand trial. Una dey hear? Since 2009. Now be say they don't judge this guy in 2009, maybe give him 10 years imprisonment. If I don't come out since 2019, but this one trial Nigeria. Hey, this kind country no go dey advance. Trial till he escape. Trial till he come out from una hand. Una don rearrest am now wey be 2021 I don't know whether una go do another trial till 2031. Now wetin I no come understand. And this guy manage escape. Something you go do legit activity. At least remove him mind from the bad things wey dem arrest am for. Instead, him continue from where him stop. No be saying go thief better thing. SIM card. This guy no go ever repent all the church where the sister they carry am go now just waste, complete waste, because this guy no even dey like human being wey go ever repent. Person wey get mind go church, go thief church member SIM card and memory card. Wetin go call that one? This guy second chance no even favor am at all. You get second chance, you no use am, you still continue your crime from where you stop. Who does that? See him face. Hey, this guy, I don't even know wetin to talk about this guy, because he dey pain me. Say he manage escape from jail. Upon that, he go back to stealing. He dey Onitsha with your mother, you know dey okay. The money, maybe your mama don't see say, hey, this guy dey Onitsha, I know they do anything. Make her send and go in elder sister. Make my elder sister help put them in line, or maybe no even they change for that place. He can say make her send them to the elder sister. Maybe now she go help her. Human being where they send go meet person, you go there, go disgrace your family again. Now they don't arrest you. This one be say they don't already mark you for jail. your name na jail. They don't already mark you. If SIM card go cause them to arrest you, now be say your destiny na just for jail. They don't put them already say, yes, this guy go dey prison. Waiting. Ha! This guy really fall my hand. He fall my hand though. My people, I hear this one. I say, ma bring am for una make una use hear wetin dey happen. Some people just, I don't know whether na kleptomania ain't be or waiting when you go thief SIM card and memory card. Ha! No. My people, if una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in our next video.